Imagine installing a state-of-the-art security system, but locking the alarm bell inside a soundproof vault. It's useless, right? For years, corporate whistleblowing hotlines operated exactly like this, as isolated side projects completely disconnected from the actual machinery of fraud prevention. Now, under the ISO 37003 standard, that isolation is officially a failure. A fraud reporting channel must be genuinely integrated directly into the fraud control management system. It cannot function as a standalone program. The hotline needs to act as the nervous system of your entire fraud control strategy. This is where independent certification becomes vital. Firms like Speeki step in to assess this specific connection. They don't operate the reporting channel or take the calls themselves. Instead, Speeki independently evaluates whether your confidential reporting mechanisms are properly embedded into the certified management system. True fraud control demands more than just offering employees a safe place to speak up. It requires an organization structurally wired to listen, adapt, and respond.